Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Adda. I am Amarnath Gupta and today we are diving into the world of Power BI to create dynamic dashboard from an Excel file. This tutorial is perfect for beginner and by the end you will know how to create interactive dashboard that update automatically based on your selection. In this video, we will learn how to use slicer, filter data by country, city or product and see how the entire dashboard change instantly with your selection. Interactivity help you analyze data from effectively and make informed decision. First, open Power BI desktop on your computer. If you haven't installed it, then you can go to Power BI website and download it from free of cost. Let's get started. First, we click on Excel workbook to get data from Excel and select the Excel file where you have saved and then click open. Now you will see a navigator window showing different sheets and select the sheet where your data and click the load. Once the data is loaded, you will see your table view. Here you can see all the columns from your Excel sheets like country, product, unit sold, sales, COGS, date and many more. Now we transforming our data. We can open Power Query editor. Under the home tab, we click on transform data. This opens the Power Query editor. In the Power Query editor, we can get more custom column. For example, we create a custom column for total sale. So we click on the add column on the top and select custom column. In the formula box, we enter formula unit sold. You can select the unit sold from here and insert it, and this is multiplied by the sales price. Then we select sale price and insert it, and now we change the column name to total sales and click OK. Once you are done, then click close and apply under the home tab. This will apply the changes and take you back to the main view. Now click on report view for creating visuals. To create a visual, go to the visualization pane on the right side and click on bar chart and drag the country from data panes to the axis and sales the value. You can also adjust the size of chart like this. Now we add another chart, line chart for sales over time. For a line chart, click on line chart and select the date to the axis and sales to the value. We can also remove the day and month from date. We only select year and quarter. Now we create a donor chart for profit by product. To create a donor chart, click on donor chart icon and drag the product to the legend box and profit to the value. Now we create another chart, stack column for cost versus total sale. For comparing cost and total sale, so we click on stack column and drag the country to the axis and both COGS and sales to the value. You can also select we can add map for map overview of our sales. So click on map icon, the visualization tab and select the country and sales. Now we can also change the formatting visuals. To format visual, click on visuals and then go to the visualization pane and select format your visual and click on journal, and here you can change the title, font color. You can also change the effect like background color. For example, I can change the background color. So click on format your report page under the visualization pane and click canvas background and select the color that you want to like and adjust the transparency of background color. Now we adding the slicer for filtering our dashboard. To add a slicer, click on slicer icon and select the country. We add more slicer for city. We can also add more slicer for time. So we select year and time. Now we add more slicer for segment. and last we add one more for product. Here you can see how the entire dashboard will change instantly with your selection. This interactivity helps you analyze data more effectively and make informed decisions. That's it. We have built a dynamic interactive dashboard in Power BI from scratch, covering everything from data import to visualization and interactivity. This dashboard can help you make informed decisions based on your data. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to Digital Adda. Comment below if you have questions or suggestions for future video. Thanks for watching. I am Amarnath Gupta and I will see you in the next video. Happy data exploring.